National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flood advisory for poor drainage areas for northwestern Ellis County until 2:45 p.m. At 12:44 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rainfall across northwestern Ellis County. Areas that are low-lying or poor drainage areas will experience minor flooding in the advisory area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waxahachie, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Ovilla, Venus, Ferris, Oak Leaf, Mayfield, and Pecan Hill. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area, which will result in minor flooding. A flood advisory means river or stream flows are elevated, or ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.